Hey, it's Alex here. Today, I'll show you just how easy it is to manage your business's cash flow with Poster. Cash flow is a report that tracks your money movements and account balances on a specific date. Unlike the P&L, which works based on accrual dates of the transactions, cash flow focuses on actual dates when the transaction actually moves in or out. With it, you can make decisions about cutting costs or tweaking operations. To check it out, go to Finances, Cash Flow. Your cash flow is split into a few sections. Cash inflow. All the money your business brings in, like sales revenue, catering deposits, and other income transactions. Cash outflow, the opposite of incomes. This shows how much money you've spent in each category. Transfers shows the movement of money between your business accounts, like cash collections. Beginning and ending balances, the actual money you have at the start and end of a period. Net cash flow. This is your net balance, the difference between the money in your accounts at the beginning and end of the period. For more details, click on V next to any amount. You'll see transaction dates, amounts, and account details. Let's work with the report now. Click on the calendar at the top right and select the period you want to review. For example, from January to March to see the whole quarter. You can also choose a specific account from the list if you want to see the cash flow just for that account. For example, pick your payment accounts to check card payments and bank transfers with suppliers. Or just select all accounts to see the full report. If you have multiple locations, check the report for each one individually by selecting the accounts tied to that location. Click on columns at the top right to choose how to display the breakdown of cash and card payments, either as amounts or percentages. You can drag and drop columns to compare different periods. Just hold the column name and move it where you want it. Hit Export at the top right to download your cash flow report as an Excel sheet. Now, how do you work with the cash flow report? Let's break it down with an example. Imagine you're planning a new ambitious project. You'll want to know how much money you have available to make it happen. Let's tackle this step by step. First, open the cash flow report for all accounts for the last few months. Check the ending balance. That's the real amount you have at your disposal. But remember, you still need cash for everyday expenses like salaries, utility bills, and payments to suppliers. So, your next step is to plan your spending by analysing the trends and categories of your expenses from the last few months. This helps you forecast future costs. Don't include one-time expenses in your plan. For example, we're not planning on buying a new coffee machine like we did in January. Subtract your planned expenses from your current balance to see how much free money you have. This is what you can budget for your ambitious project. To make your calculations even more accurate, you can forecast future incomes too. Use the cash flow report exported to Excel to help with that. With cash flow from Poster, you'll always know where your business stands financially and can forecast what's ahead. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.